Alright, we're headed out to the Plumtaw Fire up the road here. You can see the smoke straight ahead. It's kind of diffuse, which is pretty good. Good news as I travel towards the fire. Now, the fire started this morning as a point source near Plumtaw Road. When I did my live stream in town, it was about 30 to 50 acres burning. By 5 p.m. it was at 320 acres burning, and the 6 p.m. report I just got was 460 acres. So that is gone from 320 to 460 in 1 hour. It's 140 acres an hour. So when we're looking at it now, it's going to be after 7:30. Should be another 200 acres. So 460. About 700 acres will be burning when we get up here. They have 5 tankers en route, and we're en route as well. 5 tankers and 2 helicopters are currently working on the Plumtaw Fire. There has been evacuations of the lost valley of the San Juans. So those people have now been told to leave their home, and we now can see that smoke peeking up over the ridge here. In just about a mile or so, we should have good visual, and we may stop and start live streaming. So my plan here is to video the progression of the fire, and also the progression from sunset into night, so we can actually see the fire. That should be interesting. And so coming right around this turn, it should be a little bit more visible. So with 5 tankers and 2 helicopters, the winds are still blowing at like 7:30. It's crazy, but luckily it's just gusty. It's not continuous. We should be getting a good idea on how much bigger it is in just a second here, as the sun completely blinds me. Yes. Oh yeah. She be coming around the mountain when she comes. Alrighty, there it is. There's the Plumtaw Fire. And it is sending smoke profusely over to the San Luis Valley. Now we're coming up the ridge here just by 8 Mile Mesa. Free Canyons Permaculture is right on the other side of that mesa. We're going to have a good visual here of the Plumtaw Fire. And there's some of the planes. Good news. One of the tankers is flying away from the fire. And I hope nobody's behind me here. We're going to have an amazing visual in just a second here. And there she blows. Wow. Holy rollers. Now the whole Wimminooch Wilderness is now covered in smoke. So now we're entering downtown, we're pulling into downtown Pagosa here. Just a couple miles out of town. And I want to see how close I can get to this. And get a good view. I'm on US 84 headed north. About 2 miles from Pagosa Springs now. That's Reservoir Hill obstructing our view of the fire, but you can obviously see the large amounts of smoke. That smoke is all headed up near Wolf Creek Pass. Alright, so we're here at the airport. And I got the live stream set up top on top of the truck here. Let's see how many people are in the live stream. I got 24 in there. 24 in the live stream. Here we are at the Plumtaw Fire. It has grown since earlier. When we went live earlier today, it was about 100 acres now. The 5 o'clock report was 320 acres. And then the 6 o'clock report, 460 acres. So it's increasing at 140 acres an hour. So there are the tankers. There's one leaving, that guy's coming. And the guy leaving is back there. So we got a tanker coming in. Where'd he go? There he is. I got a fence coming up. So we might be able to see him. I have two cameras working here, you guys on the live stream. There's a tanker coming in right out there. So we got a tanker out here. You can see some lights in that smoke out there. They look like choppers. So there are lakes, there's water up there that the choppers can grab water from and then do these. So let's move into those choppers again. Yeah, 2 baskets and choppers. Yeah. That is radical footage right there. Looks like a UFO. So they're gonna be working hard, and then when it gets darker here, it'll probably make it much easier to put out those hot spots. What if they're gonna come over near here? The tree is. Live on scene. Okay, we can start to see a little bit of the fire in here now as the sun's setting. Some of those spot fires. The winds have died down, which is real good news. But it appears as if this entire area to the right of those fires is glowing in here. So, should be interesting when the sun sets here, as the sun sets. And it's getting darker and there's more fire visible. seems to be a reddish glow to the right of that fire. It's about 8:30. Okay, it's getting pretty dark. Got a bunch of sightseers watching me watch the fire. Once again, this is the Plumtaw Fire, which is about 4.5 miles from me, maybe 4 miles. That current blaze, it's pretty close. It's about 4 miles out there. They have helicopters here at the airport that are helping out with buckets, and there is 5 tankers that are making their way back and forth from here to Durango Airport, which is about 50 miles. 40 as the crow flies. Not much visibly burning near us on this side here. Come on, focus. Plumtaw Fire, Pagosa Springs. Got another flare up over here.